people who feel that we can contest independent or we can form new parties and you know contest and work for the people of Goa. There's nothing wrong in that, and obviously one should always test their own capacity in the public domain going towards the people. Now, as far as this new party called Goa Congress, which has been registered, and yesterday only in public domain it has come, we also got to know through you all only. So I feel in Maharashtra also there are few parties which are in name of Congress. In fact, in Kerala also there is some party called as Kerala Congress Party also. So there is I don't feel there is any harm going to happen because of any new parties registering our name as Goa Pradesh Congress Committee. The only worry here is they are forgetting that our own people or our own this thing aim is one that we have to fight against the communal BJP forces, and for this anyone can form the party if they are wanting to fight against the BJP. That is the whole goal of the people, what the people are also wanting here.
But
So,
the confusion of LOP.
But my LOP is saying that this party is bought by BJP to divide Congress route.
there's no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. See, it takes at least months together to form a party, register a party, and all of a sudden, when in charge declares about certain things, how come the ECI has not given this to the public domain? The media is getting this public notice, and media is putting it into the public. This all is all fishy and is to be looked into. That who is actually financing all these bites and all these things. So, as our LOP Yuri ji must have told you all, it is nothing but manufactured by BJP only.
But you don't think that this Goa Congress and Congress will confuse the people?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. In Kerala also there is a Kerala Congress party. In Maharashtra also there are hundreds of party which registered who, because see, Congress is age old. They have fought for the country. It has a history. So everyone feels कि Congress का नाम लिया, we take Congress with us name, we people will vote for us. No, it is not like that. People know who have worked as Indian National Congress party cadre and who are simply gaining on the name of want to gain on the name of Congress. People are very well, each and every state people are very well aware of the situation.
So AICC or GPCC won't be objecting to that name?
No, we will object, obviously, because see, if anyone is using your surname or your name, you obviously have to object for this such things illegally, whether it is possible or not, whether in the ECI there are provisions whether you can put this thing a name or not. We'll see it whenever, howsoever we go in for objections.
But only the question time and again arises that this party, whatever rumors are being spoken, is being formed by some of the Congress leaders. That is the main thing. So how would you react on that? Because these Congress leaders, you might.
Who is the Congress leader in that? Who is the president of the party? Who is the vice president of the registered party? Are they primary members of the Congress? Have they worked for the Congress? Have they participated in the protest taken out by the Congress? Have they, the office which this party has registered, has there any connection with the Congress party? Is also the question. No, if anyone says we are Congress and we are forming and we are splitting and narrative goes on from BJP, how can we shape that narrative? We can't.
So tomorrow.
Does the people, whatever the public notice they have given, it is showing a president and a vice president. Are they primary members of the Congress party?
So tomorrow.
Are they primary members of the Congress party? Tomorrow?
You won't be surprised. If
For what?
they take it to Congress or something.
What?
अगर कांग्रेस का कोई मेंबर उसमें रहा तो आप सरप्राइज नहीं होंगे.
See, what I am saying that there is this big defection happened in 2022. 8 MLAs of ours when they went, that was a shock and a surprise. any person who is not agreeing with the father and mother, that is our high command who is taking decisions for the party, if they are not wanting to work with the children are not wanting to work with their father and mother because of the decision what they have taken, then the children, they should decide wherever they want to go. Why I should be surprised or shocked by that? I should not be.
But any children have been upset by father right now?
See, the thing is, the decision taken by the High Command, which I tell it is the source, father and mother, which I say for the Congress party. I always quote this thing, and I'm telling you, five fingers are not equal. First son is not as the second son behaves, second son is not as your daughter behaves, and the third daughter and the fourth daughter are not always equal. So if there are differences between them, it is for them to come and sit and talk and resolve. If they are not ready to resolve, if they want to leave the house and go, no one, it is Rahul ji who has sent a strong message across the country. जिनको काम करना है कांग्रेस के लिए, रास्ते पे उतर के वो आके काम करे. जिनको नहीं करना है, जिनको जाना है, वो चले जाए. This is my leader Rahul Gandhi's message. It is none other than him who has said this.
Madam,
So it is
जो former-
most welcome whosoever want to.
फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट है अमित पाटकर, वो आपके कांटेक्ट में है?
Yeah, he is very much in
So
contact.
tomorrow.
कल वो आएंगे वेन्यूगोपाल को मिलने के लिए.
Expected to be there. Expected to be there.
Tomorrow. Thank you.
Why
Expected
MP is
to
not
be there.
visiting the Congress? Our MP and Amit Patkar not seen
They
for
are
long
to
period.
See, they are in contact with the president. They are in contact with Manik Rao Thakre ji, are in charge. So as and when are required, they are coordinating with each other.